In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit employee profiles in QuickBooks Time using the browser version. First, open your preferred web browser and log into your QuickBooks Time account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click My Team. This is where all your team members are listed. Find the employee you want to update. If you have a large team, you can scroll or use the built-in search to locate them quickly. When you see the correct employee, click the three-dot menu to the right of their name and choose Edit. That opens the Edit screen, which is organized into tabs so you can focus on exactly what you need to change. Start with the General tab. Here, you can refine key details like the display name, first and last name, email, employee number, payroll ID, hire date, QuickBooks ID, pay rate, salaried or exempt status, and the group the employee belongs to. Take a moment to confirm spelling and numeric entries, since these fields often feed into reports and payroll. Next, open permissions to control whether the employee can access QuickBooks Time and what actions they can perform. This is helpful for limiting sensitive functions to admins while still allowing team members to track time. In the Customers tab, assign which customers the employee can track time for. This is essential if you bill time to specific clients or jobs and want clean, accurate reports. Use the Custom Fields tab to add or edit any custom employee fields your organization relies on. These fields vary by account, so tailor them to match your internal processes. Head to Time Off to manage the employee's time off settings. This is where you align accruals and balances with your company's policies, so requests and approvals stay consistent. Open Overtime to define the overtime rules that apply to this employee. Accurate settings here ensure hours are calculated correctly for payroll and compliance. In Location, configure location tracking. This helps confirm where time is being captured, especially for mobile or field teams. Finally, visit Notifications to set email and mobile alerts. Choose how and when the employee should be notified about schedules, approvals, or time entries to reduce missed updates. When you're done making changes, click Save at the bottom right to apply your updates. If you decide not to keep the changes, click Cancel to exit without saving. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.